Hi, I'm Chris and I'm going to talk you through how to build a garden room. There are a few different systems available, including easy pads and a traditional concrete base. We use the UK Helix screw pile system because it requires little or no excavation, which not only speeds the build time up, it's also more environmentally friendly as it requires no cement. The most popular types of wall and floor construction are still traditional timber stud wall and timber rafters, but recently SIPs have gained traction and trust in the industry, mainly due to its speed of construction, superior air tightness and performance, and lack of waste due to it being made off-site to the exact measurements. Installation is very quick and you can generally have the floors and walls formed within 24 hours. It's important to add that you need to avoid getting the panels wet, so we suggest an EPDM or single ply covering that can be laid over the roof instantly for weather protection and finished at a later date. Care needs to be taken to fill any gaps with expanding foam to retain the heat performance. Always follow wiring regulations and stay safe. We prefer to batten out the whole frame with 2x1 batten. Because the SIPs are polyurethane sandwiched between OSB boards, this batten method provides easy cable runs with less planning and also means electrical back boxes require just a small cutout of the OSB boards rather than deep incisions into the insulation. Consideration has to be taken into account for the height of the threshold when installing bifold or sliding doors. In most cases, we install a decked area as part of the build, and this provides the opportunity to install a low level or no sill threshold detail. If you are fitting without a sill, remember to install a DPC or aluminium tray and completely fill your perimeter of the frame with silicone to stop water ingress at a later date. There are many options for cladding a garden room. Colour render systems can be applied on suitable render carrier board, but most clients choose timber cladding. You get what you pay for with cladding, and woods like cedar and Siberian larch can last a lifetime if you provide a little care and maintenance and they are installed correctly. We use different cladding to most people. A Japanese technique of charring the wood is our preferred method for finishing the buildings. And one of the main benefits of this is that the charred wood can last up to 80 years, so it requires very little maintenance, but you still get that natural feel of a wood finish. Once the cladding has been completed, the roof trims can be fitted and the EPDM roof completed. Gutter and downpipes need to be fitted, and we always place these out of sight on the rear elevation and into an accessible water butt if possible. Internally, finishes vary, but we recommend smart vinyl flooring which looks good. It's very hard wearing and quick and easy to fit. Prior to fitting, we also fit tongue and groove chipboard flooring over a vapour layer. This levels out the floor and also decreases the door threshold height further, providing a really minimalistic look. Skirting boards can now be fitted along with the second fix of all electrics, followed by the decorating. Then it's decking if you want it.